Hey there, awesome creators. Today we're diving into the exciting world of 3D animation, and I can't wait to show you how to create this amazing effect. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, head over to Google and search for mixamo.com. This fantastic site is a goldmine of preset characters and animations. Take your time browsing through the options and pick a character and animation that speaks to you. I've chosen this cool one here, isn't it great? Once you've made your choice, hit that download button. It'll save as an FBX file, remember that. Now, fire up Blender and let's get to work. We're starting fresh, so go ahead and delete that default cube, light, and camera. Trust me, we won't be needing those for this project. Time to bring your character to life. Go to File, then Import, and select FBX. Navigate to where you saved your downloaded character, and boom, watch it appear in your scene. Want to see your character in action? Just hit the space bar and enjoy the show. All right, now for the fun part. Press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and add a plane. This is going to be our magical cloth, so adjust its size however you like. Looking good? Perfect. Here's a crucial step. Select your character, head to the Physics tab, and click on Collision. This is the secret sauce that makes your cloth interact realistically with your character. Cool, right? Now, select that plane we created, go back to Physics, and choose Cloth. Just like that, you've turned a boring old plane into a dynamic piece of fabric. Let's kick it up a notch. With your plane selected, enter Edit Mode, right-click, and hit Subdivide. Choose a number your computer can handle. The higher, the more detailed your cloth will be. Back in the Physics tab, under Cloth Properties, make sure to check Self-Collisions. For that extra touch of realism, add a Subdivision Surface modifier and a Solidify modifier. This gives your cloth some thickness and makes it look super realistic. Time for a test run. Play your animation and watch that cloth come to life. Notice it looks a bit jagged? No worries. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. Voila! Silky smooth cloth at your service. Loving how it looks? Awesome. Head to the cache section in Physics under Cloth Properties and click Bake. Grab a snack while it processes good things. Take time. And there you have it, folks. Add a cool background, play with some colors, and you've got yourself a professional-looking animation. Isn't it incredible what you can create? I'm so excited to see what you'll make with these techniques. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. I'm new to this and always learning, so please drop your thoughts, questions, or even tips in the comments below. I absolutely love chatting with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Now go out there and create something amazing. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.